Okay, listen. Then what?
100. Hello.
Hello. So can you hear me?
I think I that's my phone.
Your phone.
Because some of your words I hear you.
Okay, but I am hearing you clearly.
Ah, okay, that's good.
Okay. Where are you from? Okay.
Philippines.
Okay, okay. I'm from Bangladesh.
Ah, okay, nice to meet you, my friend.
Nice to meet you too. So what's your name?
Miss G.
Miss G. Okay.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you, G.
nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you. So which part do you live in Philippines?
So,
Which part? Which side? Mm,
Davao City.
Cebu City. Cebu City.
Yeah,
Talisay. Talisay.
I yeah, you know Davao.
No, I don't know, but I have a friend. I have a friend there.
What's the name of the school?
Talisay City National High School.
Ah, okay.
Do you know?
Yeah, I just for 16, shall we?
Do you know
Yeah,
about this?
I heard that.
Okay. So
Rizal.
okay, okay. Why? Why people use this app? Why?
Yeah, some people they want to get have find a friends. Some people they do for get have a lot of friends and earning money also. Sometimes also people they make you know relieve that the stress
Okay,
when somebody is listening.
okay,
They need somebody to listen.
okay, okay. Then
Yeah.
why you use it? Can you tell me that?
Huh? What?
I said why you use it? Why?
Using this for earnings also extra earning.
Extra earning. Okay.
Earning money.
Okay. Then how
And
much?
then find to good friends.
Okay, okay. I'm also finding a good friend. So how much you earn every month from here? How much?
Not every month. That is only the first time. Because last time, if you're not gonna do a hard work here,
Yeah.
you're not earning also money.
Okay,
For
okay.
example, you don't want to using a live for every day. If you need to get have for me,
Yeah.
I got have agency. I have family.
Okay.
So the first that I'm here, that I trying to get have quota, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
First, you need to quota is 3K. You need to do that. Then you need also that your hours for Bigo is gonna paying for you.
yeah.
So of the friends also you have here, and that's it. If you cannot have quota, yeah, that is you don't have. You cannot earn money also.
Okay, okay, okay. I know.
That's it.
Okay.
What?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm 42.
But
Yeah, 101%. 101 is a Dalmatian. It's a singing. That is a song, my friend. Love hurt talaga. Ba yun?